Okay, so this is now 2 weeks after a lumbar decompression and stabilisation, and you literally were in so much pain before the operation. This is now 2 weeks after. How do you feel?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
Totally new woman.
Really?
Yeah.
You're standing upright. How do you feel your posture is?
Perfect.
Yeah?
I feel straight. I literally have no pain,
Wow.
discomfort.
Can I see you walking a little bit there? That's fine, just there. Yeah. Good. And how about moving side to side? I know you haven't done any of that. It's only 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And anything down your leg, pain-wise?
Nothing.
Any pins and needles,
Nothing.
numbness?
Nothing.
And sideways? Can I see your posture sideways? Yeah, you've got really normal posture now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I think I was
Yeah.
bent forward.
You're bent
before,
forward.
And
yeah.
when I say constant searing pain, constant.
Yeah.
So
It's all gone.
It's a miracle.
A different person.
Yes.
Fantastic.